Isang visionary psychic ang nagpalabas ng kanyang prediksyon. Nakakatakot at pakinggan natin ito. Narito ang kanyang sinabi. The events of August will shape the rest of the year. It indicated that there will be significant seismic activity, including megaquakes, which will cause the Earth to split apart. Following the recent 7.1 earthquake in Japan, the Philippine plate sank further beneath the Eurasian plate. Scientists are now cautioning about the possibility of another megaquake, potentially ranging from 8.1 to 9 magnitude, that could strike Japan once more. This will set off a tsunami. Nevertheless, this mega earthquake could potentially strike not only in Japan, but also in the Philippines and other countries situated along the Ring of Fire, such as California. That also includes countries such as Taiwan, Greece, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Turkey, and many other countries. They also need to be on high alert for a possible earthquake. Here are some of my previous visions that I had written about Japan and Hawaii that will cease to exist, with Japan disappearing into the ocean. Seattle, USA will be pulverized. California will be flattened. Florida will simply vanish. Australia will experience a mega tsunami. Bangladesh will slide into the sea. Some parts of India will disappear, leading to the eventual unification of Pakistan and India as one nation. New land will emerge, along with the formation of new volcanoes. As for obvious reasons, the Caribbean region will not be spared. A groundbreaking new world map is set to emerge, and mark my words, this epic transformation will unfold before the clock strikes the year of 2033. The sinister depopulation agenda is underway, signaling the imminent departure of many individuals from Earth. And as previously mentioned, the month of August 2024 will set the stage for the rest of the year and beyond. Many people would like to pray when things go wrong, but when people are doing wrong, they don't pray, do they? Here is what. Break out your prayer beads before the earth breaks apart.